Welcome to the Nash Community College Small Business Center, a hub for your business success. Business owners can access free, confidential counseling services for new and exciting businesses. The Small Business Center is a gateway to a wealth of opportunities, offering comprehensive entrepreneurial training, business programs, diverse workshops, and a wide array of specialized courses. Entrepreneurs are invited to dive into the interactive learning environment by participating in free seminars, webinars, and workshops. These resources help elevate every area of business and sharpen strategies. The Small Business Center services are all-inclusive, accessible to both students and the general public. Appointments are available and walk-ins are also encouraged. For more information, visit nashcc.edu or drop by the Continuing Education Building, room 8259.